If you've ever measured a room with a tape measure, you know how annoying it can be. So we wanted to try something different. This is the MakaGiC L7. We expected it to be just another laser distance meter, but after spending some time with it, we found that it offers a lot more than basic distance measurements. Let's see what it can actually do. The first thing we tested was the basic distance measurement. Just point, press the button, and the result appears almost instantly. It's quick, accurate, and exactly what you'd expect from a quality laser measuring tool. But the feature that really grabbed our attention is spatial measurement. Instead of walking between 2 points or climbing up to reach difficult areas, simply point at one location, then another, and the L7 calculates the true 3D distance between them. It's surprisingly convenient, especially when measuring high walls, ceilings, or places that are difficult to access. The more we used it, the more we realized this isn't just replacing a tape measure. It also measures wall height, angles, helps with leveling, performs geometric calculations, and even includes an RPM function for measuring rotational speed. Having all of these functions in one compact device makes it much more practical than carrying several separate tools. Another thing we liked is how easy it is to use. The color display is bright and easy to read, the controls are simple, and switching between measuring modes feels straightforward. You don't need to spend time learning complicated menus before getting started. In terms of accuracy, it measures distances up to 40 meters. Standard measurements are accurate within about 1 millimeter, and even its advanced spatial measurements remain highly precise. Despite packing in all these features, it's still incredibly portable. It's small enough to fit comfortably in a pocket, weighs around 40 grams, and the rechargeable battery delivers up to 500 measurements on a single charge. One feature we ended up appreciating more than expected is the built-in memory. Instead of writing measurements down or trying to remember them later, the L7 stores up to 50 measurement records. After testing the MakaGiC L7, we can undoubtedly claim that this is more than just a standard laser distance meter. It combines several measuring tools into one compact device while making everyday measuring faster and more convenient. So, if you've been thinking about upgrading from a traditional tape measure, this is definitely one that's worth taking a closer look at.